Hello, Jodi here from Joli Natural Skincare. I just had a shower and I'm about to do my whole skincare routine. My face feels dry and like it's going to crack. So I shall start with lip balm. Mine is tinted and grody and well loved and well used. Got a slight tint. Instantly moisturised. I can already pull normal faces. Okay. Step numero uno. And now step due. And for this routine, I'm going to be making things that I have already uploaded videos of how to make, the gel mask. My skin has been looking so much better since making and using this gel mask, and I use it regularly, at least every 3 days or so. It's already making a good sort of appearance and having a good effect on my skin rash breakouty thing. Oops. I try not to do that rash there. My perioral dermatitis has come back and I cannot, for the life of me, think of why. The first time, the second time I got the rash, I was really stressed, and I was drinking a lot of coffee. And I haven't been doing that right now. There's my rash, isn't it pretty? No, it's not pretty. So this is helping. Still looking pretty terrible. Well, it's looking better than it did. There's less, and what I do when I need to feel the compulsion to claw at my face, I will actually just apply some gel and leave it, and have it on for hours, however long it takes, because then when I go to touch my face, it's a bit tacky. I can feel that it's there, and I don't do it. So I will let this sit. I do want to put some eye cream on my eyes while I wait, because I have nothing on my face right now, just fresh from a shower, and I'm very light dry. So put that on in a thick layer, like a cold cream, like a mask for my eyes with my eye cream. And I shall let this sit for a little while until the gel mask starts to become less tacky. So that's up to, say, half an hour. And then I'll be back to show you the next steps. So the next step is to wash the gel mask off. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I like my water hot, just like my husband. Hot. Is there any steam to see? Yes. Beautiful. Oh. Just press first. Now, I don't do this every single time I have a shower or wash my face. put the gel mask on to heal the rash and help with anti-aging. And my eyeballs. Whew, that's nice. The lip balm is gone. Not gone, still there, but it's not in that scrumptious thick layer that I like. Okay. So at the moment I have some perioral dermatitis. As I said, it's usually caused by stress, so I am feeling stressed lately, but I've had it for about 3 or 4 weeks and it hasn't gone away, but it hasn't really gotten worse, so like it's really local. Anyway, I'm putting the rose water on that I also have a video about because it contains alcohol, and alcohol is a poison, an anti-bac. Got a hair on me. So sort of killing it off a little bit there. Sometimes I dabble there too, just for that hair. I follow this through with the ointment, and I use so little, don't know if you can see that, just a splod, maybe a bit more. Cheeks, forehead, like it literally just hardly requires any. I do more for my neck and chin. And I find that doesn't annoy the rash, which is good. Doesn't cause flare-ups. What I've noticed significantly now, because I've been sort of testing myself, being a science experiment, what makes it come, what makes it go, and I have found a distinct correlation between sugar. I had some lollies about a week ago, and that was like 4 or 6, like really small amount of lollies, and boop, there they were. What's next? More eye cream, because I've washed it off. Now admittedly I don't have, what do you call it, a video of me making eye cream, because I sell eye cream, so I use mine. So technically I make it, but I don't have a video of it. Just press there a bit. So there we have it. Me getting ready. My general beauty routine using the products. Sound of water, isn't it lovely? Using the products that I have shown videos of me making on the Joli YouTube channel. Anyway, any questions, drop a comment below, and thank you for watching.